Welcome to Design Studio to Everyday Assemblies, from Object to Architecture, where we'll explore the transformative potential of everyday objects in architectural design. Through this journey, we'll discover how simple forms can evolve into complex spatial experiences. Architecture often transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Architects have long drawn inspiration from everyday objects, turning their materiality, scale, and form into spaces that embody both cultural meaning and functional value. This is not a new phenomenon. From the early modernists to contemporary designers, the act of associating the familiar with the unfamiliar has been central to architectural creativity. Given architecture's apprenticeship-based origins and today's reverence for starchitects, the creative process of architects often seems mysterious. However, creativity is not magic. As cognitive scientist Margaret Bowden suggests, creativity stems from everyday human capacities like association, perception, and analogical thinking. It can be rational, quantifiable, and even computable. With the advent of artificial intelligence, we now have tools that can enhance, accelerate, and transform these creative processes, helping us understand the inner workings of architectural creativity while making design expertise more accessible. This studio aims to demystify creativity by breaking it down into three distinct processes, inspired by Bowden's framework. The first is combinational creativity, which focuses on producing novel combinations of familiar ideas. The second, explorative creativity, involves iteratively exploring the potential of conceptual spaces. Finally, transformational creativity enables the generation of previously unimaginable ideas by redefining constraints. We will begin with traditional architectural methodologies, such as precedent analysis and diagramming, and integrates computational tools to expand the scope of design possibilities. The studio consists of three main modules. In Module 1, students will analyze case studies by selecting everyday objects from categories such as products, art and material expressions, and natural patterns. Working in teams, students will research architectural precedents to understand how these objects and forms have influenced design. Moving into Module 2, students will focus on siteless prototyping and formal library development, translating insights from everyday objects, including architectural elements, still life, culinary items, paintings, origami, natural patterns, landforms, etc., into a library of architectural forms with AI-driven ideation support. During this phase, students will experiment iteratively with geometric operations and transformations, programs and performance considerations, as well as materialization and assembly details. Finally, in Module 3, students will transition from object to system by conducting comprehensive site analysis that considers both objective environmental factors and subjective social elements. They will select a driving force, such as environmental performance or cultural context, to guide their design development. The module culminates in refining and integrating prototypes into a cohesive architectural proposal, enhanced by AI-powered visualizations. While AI is not the core of this studio, it plays a vital supporting role in the design process. Through accessible, off-the-shelf generative AI tools, students will engage with various aspects of design development. They will utilize text-to-image and image-to-image generation to jumpstart the creative process during ideation, experiment with material collages and iterative image-based studies during exploration, and enhance their final outputs through AI-generated renderings and video production. These tools require no prior experience and are integrated seamlessly into architectural design and representation workflows, allowing students to focus on the creative potential rather than the technical complexity of AI.